You want to flatten your tummy in 7 days? So just follow these 7 tips to reduce belly and flaunt your abs the way you have always dreamt of. Number 1. Circuit training. If you want to build muscle and burn fat at the same time, you have to perform circuit training 3 days per week. How can you achieve this? Indulge in full body exercises like lunges, push-ups, and pull-ups. For one set of 15 repetitions, don't forget to follow every exercise. With 1 minute of jumping rope, you should be able to burn around 500 to 600 calories per workout. Number 2. Go for abdominal muscles workout. If wondering how to lose tummy fat quickly, then include abdominal muscles workout in your tips to reduce belly list. So this 3 times in the week. Crunches and leg raises for 3 sets of 20 repetitions should be done. Also, do planks by holding your body in a push-up position on your elbows for 30 to 60 seconds for 4 sets. Number 3. Check your food. The kind of food you will eat in this period is vital in bringing about any change. Natural foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grain breads and pastas, chicken, beef, fish and low-fat dairy should replace processed foods full of sugar. Number 4. Avoid salt. To minimize water retention, lower your sodium intake. This means you need to avoid salt. You can flavor your food with other herbs and spices instead. Number 5. Drink water. Have adequate water to flush away those toxins. This will give you dual benefits of a glowing skin and a flat tummy. Drinking water does not only mean having gallons of water in a day, but also drinking healthy drinks like green teas with antioxidants and fresh vegetable and fruit juice. Number 6. Stay away from alcohol. Alcohol can make your stomach feel bloated. To get that perfect tummy for a figure-hugging dress or silk saree, stay away from having any alcohol for this week at least. Number 7. Say bye-bye to stress. Stressing and anxiety can cause the overproduction of a certain hormone called cortisol, which encourages weight gain about the belly area, so try to keep your cool.